How do you think the REVEGO changes the way you plan a kitchen?
REVEGO helps in ways of hiding things behind a pocket door or opening new spaces. It also takes a door that we've had for a while but wasn't really well made and makes it 10, 20 times better. As far as the manufacturer side of it, was also the finished product. The hanging of the doors is individual. That's a good improvement. The product's always been a good product. These little things that just make it that much better. So today we're going to put together a worktop-mounted pocket door. This is for a cafe centre in a new build we're working on at the moment. For the smaller scenario, sizing was obviously very hard. But now that we've got something that does everything, we can sell the same product through the whole kitchen rather than using different systems in different spots.
It's pretty straightforward. Everything's labelled, everything's drilled out already for you. All you're doing is screwing it in and putting the next parts on.
It's 50% less screws. It's a lot easier.
More efficient.
Today we have the REVEGO pocket door system. Just sits on top of your base cupboards. Once it's all installed at the factory, pop it on and just screw it all together and put doors on. It has to be perfect at the factory first, and once it comes to site, it's very simple.